today we visited Orlando Vineland Premium Outlets and we checked some of the stores here, no? Talaga namang ang lalaki ng discount, up to 70% yung mga nakita namin. And I observed na malaki talaga yung inspiration, no, ng mga ginagawang commercial development in Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Just like Paseo de Santa Rosa, no? Of course, bigger lang yung mga outlets dito sa Florida. And dito ko rin na-realize na, kaya pala maraming mga US clients ko na pinipiling bumili ng property sa Santa Rosa, Laguna kasi meron talagang similarity kung ano yung development na nangyayari ngayon sa area. So if you guys want to check properties in Santa Rosa City, Laguna, may it be condo lot or house and lot, I would love to help you. Lalo na if you are working right now sa Canada and US and planning to retire here in the Philippines but gusto pa rin yung suburban living and meron pa rin similarity kung saan kayo nasanay na environment